In today's video, I will walk you through how to clip an image in Inkscape. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, launch Inkscape and open an existing document, or create a new one to maintain its proportions. Now, create the shape you want to use for the clip. You can use the Rectangle tool, Ellipse tool, or Bezier tool to create a custom shape. Place the shape over the part of the image you want to keep visible. Make sure the shape is positioned above the image. Next, select both the image and the shape. Click the image, hold Shift, and click the shape. With both objects selected, go to Object, Clip, Set Clip. Inkscape will immediately hide everything outside the shape, leaving only the selected area visible.
The original image isn't permanently deleted, so you can adjust or release the clip later if needed. And that's how to clip an image in Inkscape. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.